My daughter brought this over to me and asked me to install it on her Mercedes. What it is a courtesy door light. It's wireless mode. As you can see, it's made in China, and two of them come in this package. And if you want to purchase any of this, just look in the description below. But the instructions are not good. You see, these are the instructions on the box, and it's no instructions inside the box. So I'm gonna show you what comes inside the box. So what you got these two magnets here, and the magnets is to turn the lights on and off, and you got the two uh, projectors that go on the door, alcohol pad, and you got adhesive to put on that projector, and you got that little piece right there in the middle. That's for the magnets that goes on the bottom part. So they gave an extra adhesive. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take the batteries or install some batteries. It don't come with any batteries. So it takes 3 AAA batteries in each. So you need a total of 6 AAA batteries. So we're gonna install the batteries. And it's pretty simple to install the batteries. Just open this back case and put the 3 batteries in, negative and positive. And the negative just go towards your spring. As you can see, right, I'm gonna put this in. That's the negative, just push it in. There you go. So we got the batteries installed. So I'm gonna show you how this thing looks, and it's amazing. You know how it looks. It's projecting right there, and you could turn it on and off with a switch. But what makes it go on and off is the magnet. So I'm gonna turn the light off and just show you what it looks like. It's amazing. The clarity of it for the amount of money. So you see I got this magnet on the fork. When you bring the magnet up close, you see how it goes up. So the magnet actually activates this, but it have to be about 3 inches away. You see right there? So we're gonna simulate closing a door. So I'm gonna open the door. You see it comes on the ground. I'm gonna close it. Boom, it hits the magnet, get close to it. Open the door. I'm gonna get close the door. And that's how it works. Open and close. So you see how this projects, and you can hit the button and turn it off if you want to. Hit it again, but once you put the magnet on it now, it'll activate it again. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.